Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. This is your basic operating guide for the Baja Wrangler 2. I'm going to go over all the features and everything you can do with this unit, so stay tuned. So the first thing is the ignition. It's right here on the side of the tiller. We turn it on, your screen lights up and you have power. Next to the tiller we have our charging port. This is where you would charge the unit. And then underneath that is a USB port if you want to charge your phone and any fuses. So when you turn the power on, your console will light up. On the left-hand side of the console is your battery indicator with all these bars all the way up. Your scooter is fully charged. As you drive it, that will steadily go down. When you get about halfway or lower, I would recommend charging the unit. The center is going to be your speedometer as you drive the unit. Well, I don't want to go too fast in here. As you drive the unit, it'll give you your speed, and you also have your odometer in the bottom. This is a new unit, so it's set to 0 right now. The right-hand side is a secondary speed option with turtle and rabbit. So you can fine-tune speeds. By pressing the turtle button, you can go very slow, or rabbit all the way up on the highest speed. I believe it's like 10 or 12 miles an hour on this unit. We got a bunch of buttons here. This is going to be your headlight. We have turn signals, left and right turn signal. And we just went over the speed controls. You have your horn on both sides. It's very loud, probably going to scare my boss next door. You also have hazard lights. And then you can set your speed from high to low. A little picture of a rabbit will come up. So this top speed at low is maybe 6 miles an hour. Then this will be your full speed. So on the high setting with your speedometer all the way up here, you're going to get the maximum speed on the unit. This is your mode button. You can change different settings. Right now we're on odometer. I press mode again. Our trip is almost 1/4 mile. We have the temperature. It's 70 degrees in this room right now. And I press mode again, we get the time of day. So that is how you would cycle through those. Now to drive the unit, you have this tiller right here. If you push the right hand towards you, you will go forward. If you go the opposite direction, you will go backwards. And there is a reverse alarm on this unit. Right hand side is a brake. And then you can actually push this in and use it as kind of a parking brake. So this will keep the brake engaged. Then let it go. This right here is your tiller adjust. So you squeeze that and you can bring your tiller towards you or away from you. Next we have the seat. This is a captain's seat. So if you pull this handle on the right hand side, the seat will fold down. You can also lock it in different positions and it will full recline this far back. There are other seat adjustments you can make, but I do have a seat adjustment video. I'm not covering that in this one. But there is a way to swivel the seat. If we push this handle that is on the right-hand side forward, we can swivel the seat and it will lock every 90 degrees. While I have this in view, on the left-hand side, there's another handle. If I pull that, I can slide the seat forward and backwards. So if you need more leg room on the unit, you can slide it back or forward. In the rear of the unit, we have our neutral levers. If for whatever reason you need to push this unit, as you can see, it is engaged. The brakes are engaged and it is very heavy. You cannot push it. If your battery dies or for whatever reason you have to push it, you would push these levers down. Now, the scooter will not drive in neutral. So if a lever gets flipped and you turn the power on, it'll make this sound. And the unit will not drive. So you have to put the levers back into gear, turn your power off, turn your power back on again, and the scooter will drive. So I'm going to turn the power off so it doesn't make that noise. If you do have to push this unit, you're going to put both of these levers down because there's 2 motors. That is 1 lever per motor. And now I can roll the unit. Again, it will not drive and the scooter is going to start beeping at you. You have to put these back into the lock position. This will engage your brakes and allow the unit to drive. Another feature of the Wrangler is this rear docking device. If you want a rear basket or you need maybe an oxygen holder, there's an adapter back here so that you can tighten and you just put this pin through. So that is for any rear accessories. The last thing I wanted to cover is the tires. These are pneumatic air-filled tires, so that means over time they can go flat. Your valve stem is right here. All 4 of them are like this. And they take 30 psi to fill up, just like it'd be like a car tire. You have to fill them every now and then. But that is where the stem is. This has been the user operating guide for the Baja Wrangler 2. If you want any more in-depth adjustments or battery replacement videos, you can check out the official Wrangler 2 playlist right up here. But if you have any questions on this unit, or you want to purchase this unit or any parts or accessories for this unit, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.